Self-determination theory is a very commonly asked question for your UGC psychology examination, and here this self-determination theory is based on a simple concept of what you can remember as ARC. So A stands for autonomy, where you have freedom to choose, you have a self-direction. Stands for relatedness, where you connect the things, connect the belongingness, and C for competence, where you master the things. So this concept of self-determination theory was given by Dike and Ryan, and it is based on intrinsic motivation, which is self-driven, and the basic psychological needs. Now, what is really important in self-determination theory, besides this, is to understand that this theory works towards the concept of eudaimonic happiness. Eudaimonic happiness we have covered in a separate lecture, where we focus on a virtuous life, where we derive pleasure in what we are doing. So life fulfilled with what you have done and deriving pleasure from it is what is eudaimonic happiness, and self-determination theory is a basis on the idea of eudaimonic theory of Aristotle. Now, another important theory similar to this was a theory given by Waterman. Waterman talked about what was known as personal expressiveness, and that is again to describe the eudaimonic activities and the happiness. So the sole idea under all these theories is determining the self and self-actualization at the root level, which was again the basis for the Maslow's hierarchy theory. So those were some of the important concepts that we have covered here. Very, very important for your UGC NET psychology examination. For comprehensive content, refer the link below. Have a great day.